you doing, folks? I'm Trent Henderson. You're tuned into the infamous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. Here on the infamous Living Realm Network, we are on the 1 month vegan challenge where we all went vegan for this month. We do challenges here every single month on the infamous Living Realm Network. To top it off, I had like some noodles today. I had some rice. And I also had some green beans, and I had some asparagus. And so, like, I'm really serious about this, folks. And even my drinking, I've been drinking like lots and lots of water. Anytime I can get my hands on some water, I drink some water. Juices, 100% pure orange juice is my favorite. Just imagine the taste right now. It's so good. So I know that you guys out there on your vegan challenge as well. Speak up, let your voice be heard. Let me know how that is going for you. If you want to get on this vegan challenge, you can join too by simply subscribing. But anyway, folks, let's get right down into it. Law of attraction, visualization techniques to manifest anything. Amazing results, folks. Listen, I'm going to tell you how to use the practice of visualization in order to attract anything you want to manifest in your life. See, one of the main reasons why people cannot manifest that thing that they want is because they don't have it in their mind enough. See, I always say this, and this is a fact. You don't get what you desire when it comes down to attracting things. You don't get what you desire. So you can say what you want all you want. Nothing's going to happen. You get what you feel. So the problem that most people are having is that they are not attracting things to them the way that they want because they don't feel it enough. See, it's easy to say what we want. You know, I want to become this, I want to do this, I want to drive this, I want this type of house, this and that, blah, blah, blah. But it's so hard to get the feeling of feeling like you are worthy to have that. You know, you got to feel like you're in a car before you actually buy the car. You understand? How do you feel like you're in a car? That's extremely hard, ain't it? Yeah, like how do you feel like you're in a car if you ain't got the car? Folks, this is where the techniques come in. This is where you really have to fill your mind up with that thing that you want. You have to fill your mind up with it. It's like you have to fall in love with it. And we know what love is, right? Love is the universe, folks. Love is God. That's the most powerful force in the universe. So what you have to do is you have to align yourself up with the thing that you want to manifest. You have to marry it. You understand what I'm saying? It's just like a relationship. She ain't gonna love you, bro, the way you want her to love you, bro, if you ain't putting no ring on it. If you ain't marrying her, if you ain't making no full commitment to her, she not gonna be really committed to you the way that you think that she should be committed to you, okay? So it's the same exact thing when it comes down to whatever you want to manifest. You have to align yourself up with it. You have to focus on it, and you have to focus so hard on the thing that you want to manifest that it begins to just fill you up. You know, you have to visualize, you have to dream about it, you have to go to sleep at night and be having dreams about it, folks. And this is how you know that you will be attracted into your life, because you will see all the signs. It's basically like conjuring up the feeling and the emotion, because what's going to happen is once you get the feeling and the emotion, you're going to align yourself up with that thing that you want to attract, or that thing that you want to manifest. And that's putting vibrations out into the universe. Like, the universe don't hear nothing like we hear. It only hears things through vibrations. It don't hear English, Spanish, none of that. The universe don't talk like we talk. It just goes based off of what it feels. It just goes off, you know, the heart chakra. You know, the heart is pulsating beats and vibrations out to the universe every second of the day, you know, telling the universe what you deserve, you know what I mean? And then the universe just sets up, does its magic, just sets up all circumstances, situations for you to get the thing that you deserve, like right in your hands, based on the way you feel. You'll attract people to you based on the way you feel. You know, you'll attract things to you based on the way you see yourself. You know, however you see the image in your mind's eye for whatever it is that you want to attract is the way that it's gonna come to you in your reality. Does that make any sense? So remember, folks, law of attraction visualization technique is feeling. Feeling. Fill yourself up with what it feels like to have that thing. If you want that type of car, go to the car lot, sit in the car, feel the car, smell the car, Ask to crank up the car. Ask to go take a test drive in the car. Get the feeling in your head. Get the feeling in your head, folks. And I guarantee you, the more you have these images in your head about you actually having that thing that you want to manifest, folks, it's going to manifest. It ain't nothing that's going to stop it from manifesting. So you're going to get that thing that you want to manifest, especially if you tuned in and watched this video. That's a sign right there that whatever it is that you want to attract is going to come to you, folks. But congratulations on your new manifestation. Once again, amazing results for you. So get ready to experience amazing results, folks. If this message resonated with you and you believe for a fact that you're going to receive that thing that you want to attract, make sure you give this video a thumbs up to confirm it, folks. Speak up, let your voice be heard. I'll see you in the next video.